What's going on YouTube? Ty with the xking.com here with another video, and today we're looking at my Robinhood. I started Robinhood maybe, I don't know, maybe a month and change ago. So I'm gonna give you some of my results, how I like it so far. And I got my first, well, I haven't received the payment though, but I do have some dividends coming to me. I'm gonna share what they are in a minute. So these are my stocks that I'm looking at right now, that I'm looking to buying more of. So let's look at the dividends. So I got two dividends is going to be paid to me. This is from, I bought Ford stock because most of the people at my job drive Ford trucks and they're very popular in my area. So I'm getting paid 15 cents per share. And with that, I only bought, so I can see this. One share was $9.20. So I bought this maybe a month ago, and I'm already getting paid a dividend next month. So it's a long time to wait. 15 cents, not a lot of money, but you know, it is what it is. You know, that $10, I would have bought something stupid anyway with it and not got nothing back. So my next stock is Blue Knight Energy Partners, and I'm getting 4 cents dividends. And I bought this. When was this? I can't remember when I bought this one. Right here, I bought this. This is a cheap stock. This is $1.23 stock. I saw it. It was really low at the time, and so I filed it April 15th. So it's been only 15 days, and I get the dividends soon. So these are pending right now, scheduled for May 14th. So a month. So a month I get 15 cents. Now again, this is not gonna make me a millionaire. I'm not gonna be rich overnight. But the thing I like about it is, like, this dividend, this stock was only $1.23. I bought it a month ago. So you know, $1.23 is not going to break me. You know, I should have bought 20 stocks for like $20. So the thing about Robinhood and what people need to start investing in these stocks, getting some dividends, because you know, buying big stocks, you get bigger money, but you can start small. I started small. I ain't start with the big company. I bought what I could afford, and I bought, you know, something small to get my feet wet with it. I didn't go out and buy Tesla or Facebook or Amazon. I bought something small to see how it work, and I'm getting dividends. And okay, now I'm getting a little bit of dividends. So this stock was on $1.23, which is peanuts. So again, you know, or if you have loose change, the $4 or $5, you know, buy a stock. You know, buy something that will make you money over time, and you could sell it when it's high. When it goes up $3 or $4, and you only pay $2, you get that dividend the whole time you holding it, and then you could sell it when it's high. So that's what I do with my money. So you know, this is just a small indicator how it works. You automatically get the dividends. And I bought Ford. And I'm gonna tell you when I bought Ford. Excuse me. And the Ford's up. It's up like $1.25. I own one share was $9. You might want to say $10 for one share, and I would have made $1.20 if I sold it. So you know, it's okay. I mean, you know, dividends is high. So you know, I'm gonna buy some more Ford stocks and then you want a bunch of stocks, bunch of little stocks, and you make more money. Now you buy what you can afford. So yeah, that's it for the video. It's a small little. I'm waiting on this one to hit me. CBL Associate Properties. Oh, I bought it for $1.53 as a REIT. So I'm waiting on that to come through for that dividend. But yeah, you know, Robinhood will send you alerts when your stock has gone up some, so you can sell it then and make some profit or hold it. I'm doing the buy and hold right now. I don't have time to watch these stocks really, so I'm just buying it, holding it, and you know, have more assets and make me a little bit of money. 28 cents is not no money, but yesterday I found $3 in my pocket. I didn't know I lost, so I could have easily, you know, bought 2 stocks and made a little bit of money. So it's all about investments. What can you afford, what you can't afford, and doing it. Go ahead and do it. So my name is Ty for xking.com. I want to shoot a quick video. I also bought this one as well. I'm sorry, I got it's a I went to night mode. Okay, um, it's a I believe it's a marijuana company. I bought a marijuana company, and I should have, you know, there's no dividends on here, so I'm noticing that these stocks, if they have no dividends, I'm not gonna buy it no more because it's a waste of time. I'm gonna sell it as soon as it gets high. I'm going to sell it because if you're not paying no dividends, you're not giving me nothing for it. I'd rather buy a Ford stock. I'm not gonna get some dividends. So that's it for my video. Just beware of the dividends. Check them out and buy what you can afford. My name is Ty from xking.com. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.